in our Apex class, we're going to actually repeat this process. So in this Apex class, I'll define one more function. This time the name of the function would be save educational details. This registration, instead of this registration form, I'll be using educational details _ C. Here edu det DML operation to save edu detail. Okay, then insert this edu detail, fine, and return the ID. Or we actually do not need the ID this time, or it's okay, let's call for the ID, fine. So I have one more function ready, save educational detail. I want to call this function on click of submit button. Okay, so for now, on click of submit button, I know I can easily call do submit. Let's say if this is success, if the state is success, and now I need to store the educational detail records as well. Somehow, let's not bother about how, just think, somehow I'm able to call do submit method, or let's give a different name, save edu details method in add educational detail component. What I am doing, once this call is successful, okay, and my registration form record is getting saved to the server, I want to save the educational record as well. And to save the educational record, I need to call a function defined in the educational detail component. Let's say there is a function with the name save edu details, and somehow I am able to call that component from here. Okay, somehow I am able to call this component from here. So let's go to add educational detail component over here in the controller. Let's say we have a function save edu details, and somehow this function can be called from the do submit function after the success of the server side controller. Okay, server side method. So somehow I am able to call this function. That's great, right? Edu details. And if I'm able to call this function, what I'll do, I'll call Apex class function. I'll call Apex class function with name save education details. And how to do that? I know how to do that. There is a defined code for that, and whenever I have to make any server-side controller call, I can use that defined code. We have just written this code in this controller, which starts from here